Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn Innum Eluthum Class 5 English Workbook Term 3 Unit 1 Exercise numbers from 1.22 to 1.25 and also read and write. 1.22 Tick the correct question for the picture. Who helps the father in cooking? Where is the father going? What is the girl drawing? Correct answer. Who helps the father in cooking? Where is Money playing? What does Money give to his friend? When will Money come home? Answer second one. Where is Nalan sleeping? Why does Nalan run on the road? What is Nalan doing? Third one. 1.23 How will you respond to these situations? Tick the correct option. On the way to your school, you see an old man falling down on the road. What will you do? I will help him. I will laugh at him. First one. A stray dog is chasing your friend. What will you do? I will run away. I will save him from the dog. Second one. At home, your mother is cleaning the doors and windows. What will you do? I will bring her some water to clean. I will watch her cleaning it. First one. At the park, you see a robber pulling a woman's bag. What will you do? I will hide my bag. I will call elders to catch the thief. Second one. 1.24 How will you respond to these situations? Write it. Rani is your friend. She lost her pencil. How will you help your friend? I will search along with her to find it. Your mother dries clothes. How will you help her? I will put the clip on the clothes. A dog falls into a pit. How will you help it? I will take it out from the pit. 0.25 How will you react in these situations? Write one or two sentences for each picture. I will get few books from him and carry for him. I will help the old man to get up and leave him in a safest place. Read and write. Read the story 5 Detectives given in the workbook, page number 11 to 13, and find the statements which have the words given in red font here. Then write it in the given space. பேஜ் நம்பர் 11லேருந்து 13 வரைக்கும் கொடுத்துருக்கக்கூடிய ஸ்டோரிஸை நம்மளை ரீட் பண்ணிவிட்டு இங்கே இந்த சென்டென்சஸில் ரெட் கலரில் கொடுத்துருக்க வேர்ட்ஸ் அந்த 5 டிடெக்டிவ் ஸ்டோரிஸில் எங்கே இருக்குன்னு பார்த்துட்டு அந்த சென்டென்சஸை இங்கே எடுத்து எழுத சொல்லியிருக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டிடெக்டிவ், அதுக்கு அந்த ஸ்டோரியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய சென்டென்ஸ் என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தே நேம்ட் தெம்செல்ஸ் 5D the 5 detectives. Second sentence, I appreciated your effort very much. நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டியது appreciated. இதுக்கு வேறு சென்டென்சஸும் அங்கே இருக்குது, பட் நான் இந்த சென்டென்ஸ் எழுதியிருக்கேன். Jesse's father appreciated them for their courage. So, next sentence, Nila guessed the answers correctly. அந்த ஸ்டோரியில் இருக்க சென்டென்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அமுதா guessed it. Rani disguised herself as a queen. Srijit disguised himself as an old man. Arun found the mysteries behind the theft. They solved some mysteries in their town. I heard the news about the robbery. It was about a robbery at the museum. Last week, Anu visited the museum. இங்கே வந்து இந்த மியூசியம்ங்கிற வார்த்தை இருக்கிறதுனால இதே சென்டென்ஸை கூட எடுத்துக்கலாம், எடுத்து இங்கேயும் எழுதிக்கலாம், பட் வேறு சென்டென்ஸ் இருக்கட்டும்ங்கிறதுக்காக நான் இதை எழுதியிருக்கேன். He arrested the robbers with a diamond necklace stolen from the museum. Don't spread fake news. The diamond necklace stolen was fake. Children are taught not to talk to strangers. A stranger came there and gave a chocolate to Srijit. Thank you for watching this video.